Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, The Chicken Gamer here, and today I'm going to show you how to make teleporters. So if you stand on a block, it teleports you to a different location. So if you enjoy these tutorials and you want to see more of these, then make sure you like, subscribe, and remember to turn on the notification bell so then you'll never miss out when I upload a new video. Also comment in the comment section a suggestion for a video, like tell me what to do a tutorial on, and if I see it I will heart your comment and I will give you a shout out in that video. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is insert a part into the workspace. It doesn't matter what kind of part it is, this is going to be the part that you touch and it's going to teleport you to a different location. Okay, so you want to insert two parts and put one over there for now, and you can name this you don't actually need to name that, but you'll need to name this one teleport. You don't need to name it, but I just want to name it just for organisation. Okay, so all you do is insert a normal script inside of it and then type script.parent.touched :connect function, and then inside of these brackets you type hit, and then if you drop a line, an end with a closing bracket should appear. So the next thing that you need to type is local player equals hit.parent, oops, that should be equals hit.parent : find first child, then inside some brackets you type some quotation marks, and inside the quotation marks you type humanoid. So this detects if the thing that touched the block is a player or not, because it might not be a player, it could be a different part or something. So we need to check if it's an actual player. So now we type player.torso.cframe equals cframe.new, then some brackets, and then here you type in the position of the block that you want them to teleport to. So there is a problem here. If it's on the ground, and you type in the position, it might glitch your character inside the ground. So you just want to like make it high, and then copy the position when it's in the air. So you just need to press Ctrl C, and then it's copied that location, and then you go back into your script, and then inside the cframe.new brackets you just press Ctrl V and it pastes in the position. So now if I click play here, I'll spawn next to the teleport pad, and I will spawn like there. Yep, I've glitched into it, but you can't make it can collide off. But actually once you've got the position, you don't even need the part anymore. So I've just made it a little bit higher, so just change the position to anything you want. It can be as high or low as you want. Just if you put it low, it might glitch your character into the ground, so make it as high as possible. We'll make it like a good position. Okay, so after you've got the position, you don't need this block anymore, so you can just delete it. So now if I just click play here, now if I touch this, yep, I've been teleported to where the part was, but it's not here anymore because we don't need it anymore. We just needed the part to find out the position. Okay, so if you want a different teleport pad, you just need to move it around, insert a new part, put it up in the air, and then just copy the position. So just select it and press Ctrl C. Then you don't need the part anymore, so you can just destroy it. And we can just go into the script and change the position to the new position. So now, if we click play here once more, and we touch the part, yeah, I've been teleported to the other one. Now we teleport back. So that's how that works. So that's going to be the end of today's tutorial. If you did enjoy and you want to see more, please like, subscribe, and make sure you turn on that notification bell so then you'll never miss out when I upload a new video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.